Hello and welcome to the SEO Institute. We're a totally free, no BS SEO training course, as well as a community-backed blog with guest posts from the industry-leading experts that you're about to see. All you have to do to start the course now, if you're a beginner to advanced SEO, is press the big red Start That Course button on the left-hand side. Or if you're a more of a advanced and expert level of SEO, then you can check out our community blog with guest posts from some amazing folks on some very interesting and technical topics. I hope you enjoy this totally free course. We are not going to be charging a single penny for this at all, ever. I've been Charles Floate, your headmaster of the SEO Institute. Thank you for listening, thank you for watching, and thank you for reading.